One question I get asked a lot on my channel is, oh, them complete nutrition shakes you have like Huel and stuff actually healthy for you? Well, I've been using complete nutrition shakes for the past 7 years on a regular basis. I'm in my 50s. I know it's hard to believe. And I'm in reasonable shape and still healthy. So yeah, I guess. Let's talk about some complete nutrition shakes. Today we're going to be talking about the nutritional benefits of meal replacement shakes, or specifically, as I like to say, those that offer complete nutrition. You know, stuff that I've reviewed on this channel before, like Huel, Jimmy Joy, Saturo, Rutana, Y Food, Manna, and many, many others. Meal replacement shakes, or more correctly, if you're talking about these sort of things, complete nutrition shakes, have been gaining popularity in the recent years as a convenient and efficient way to get all your essential nutrients in one meal in a super easy way. And this is what first attracted me to the concept of scientifically developed meal shake, providing you with all your nutritional requirements. When Soylent in America first launched, it was this concept of not having to worry about cooking, what ingredients you're using, buying the right ingredients, making sure they're healthy, are they organic, are they not organic, all this kind of stuff. Surely science had advanced enough that could provide sort of a human Huel in an easy, in a super convenient delivery mechanism. And that was the sort of thinking behind Soylent. It was sort of aimed at those sort of software engineers who sat at their computers all days and, you know, didn't eat properly or skipped a lunch and then ordered a pizza or ate unhealthily. And that's how that was developed. And it sort of developed on from there. And now you have these complete nutrition shakes. And I've always been fascinated with that, especially as someone who doesn't like to cook. Here we are about 10 years after the first sort of concept of Soylent first started, and complete nutrition products are everywhere, or certainly more popular. But are complete nutrition shakes really healthy? Complete nutrition shakes like Huel and Rutana and Y Food and Jimmy Joy, etc., are all designed to provide, as I say, all the nutrients your body needs in a single serving. They typically include a blend of protein, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins and minerals in just the right amount to meet your daily nutritional requirements. The majority of complete nutrition products use the latest science on health or nutrition, or the kind of government recommendations on your daily intake of certain vitamins, minerals and proteins, etc., to just get and ensure that perfect macronutrient balance is maximized. And you're getting the optimal balance between those proteins, carbs, fats and fiber. And they only vary between the brands depending on whether you're opting for a more high protein, low carb one like, you know, Huel Black or this instant knockout, etc., which tend to be geared more at the fitness market, but are still great for mere mortals like you and me. The balance is key in all of these to make sure that the delivery of the nutrients is absolutely maximized. And while also at the same time, the product keeps you satiated, keeps you full, so you don't snack or have a sudden energy crash throughout the morning or the afternoon. One of the key benefits of complete nutrition shakes is the sheer convenience of being able to get all those essential nutrients and vitamins and minerals in a meal, in a shake. And this can be especially helpful for people who are super busy, on the go, or those who struggle to eat a proper balanced diet. It's hard. Or if you're skipping breakfast, or you're snacking throughout the day, or there's, you know, grabbing a muffin or a donut from the shop and stuff like that. We're bombarded by stuff. So how can you guarantee you're getting all the right essential kind of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, carbs, proteins and fiber, etc., from healthy fats without really thinking about it? And that, for me, is what complete nutrition products do. Another benefit of complete nutrition shakes is that they're customizable to your needs. You can adjust the amount of powder and liquid you use to create a shake so it meets your specific nutritional needs and preferences. So whether you're trying to lose weight, maintain weight, or even add weight, you can kind of vary it slightly. Some people like to add their own fruit. I had a friend at work that used to drink a lot of Huel, and I used to see him kind of at lunchtime, and he used to chop up a banana, throw it in the Huel. He was a bit of a fitness freak and stuff like that. But there are options to kind of add stuff to your complete nutrition shakes. If you're a coffee fiend, why not grab an espresso, throw it in your vanilla flavored shake, and boom, you've got a kind of vanilla latte type thing. And you get that caffeine kick. Complete nutrition shakes can be used as a variety of things. They can be used as a tool for weight loss. They're typically lower in calories, or at least you know exactly how many calories you're getting than a traditional meal. Sometimes about the same or slightly less than a meal deal from your local corner shop. And they can help you manage and reduce your overall calorie intake and promote weight loss. And because they're scientifically designed with a complex kind of release of the carbs and stuff, they can keep you feeling full and satisfied, and therefore you might be less likely to snack or overeat throughout the day. Are complete nutrition shakes really healthy though, Clive? Are they really healthy? Well, yes. When they're used in conjunction with a healthy, balanced diet and exercise plan. Look, they're not necessarily going to provide you the same enjoyment and social benefits of traditional meals and going out with friends and stuff like that. They can be a useful tool for people who struggle to meet those nutritional needs throughout the whole day, just using foods alone. And so, yeah, complete nutrition products are sometimes really useful, even if you're just using them as a replacement for your breakfast or a lunch, just one meal throughout the day. It can be a really useful tool to sort of stay healthy and then not so worry so much about what you might be eating later on or if you're going out and stuff like that. But the important thing to remember is that not all meal replacement shakes are created equal. Some, especially sort of what are actually deemed as meal replacement shakes or diet shakes, may be high in sugar or artificial ingredients or lack important nutrients. That is why it's really important to choose a shake that's made with high quality and whole food ingredients, and that's free from harmful additives and preservatives. So when I talk about and review products on this channel, they are mostly complete nutrition shakes or complete nutrition products. They do exactly what they say on the tin, yeah? They're complete nutrition. Complete nutrition shakes like your Huel, your Soylent, your Rutana are a great option for people who want a convenient and efficient way to get essential nutrients in one single, easy to make meal. As I said, they're customizable, convenient, can be a useful tool for weight loss. Just be sure to choose a shake that's made with high quality whole food ingredients and that fits into a healthy, balanced diet. They're not a panacea. You still need to kind of look after yourself, maybe exercise a bit and all that kind of stuff. But they're a useful additional tool to your overall kind of healthy plan. So there you go. I hope you found that useful. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, then please hit the likes because I like it, YouTube likes it, and it helps people like you find content just like this. And if you are new here, then do me the great honor of hitting that subscribe button down there, toggling that notification bell, and that way you'll know when I go live with content just like this. And it's always worth checking the description down below there because sometimes I get given discount codes by a number of these companies. So if you're interested, why don't you check the description and also leave a comment as well if you've got any questions and stuff like that. And while you're at it, why don't you check out the videos over here on some interesting complete nutrition products that I sometimes use on a regular basis. Check them out here. Highly recommend them. Thanks for watching.